Welcome to today's video, where we'll be taking a deep dive into the fascinating world of manufacturing technologies. Manufacturing technologies encompass a wide range of tools, processes, and systems used to transform raw materials into finished products. From traditional methods to cutting-edge techniques, let's explore the various types of manufacturing technologies and their applications. 1. Traditional manufacturing technologies. Traditional manufacturing technologies have been used for centuries and laid the foundation for modern manufacturing practices. One example is casting, which involves pouring molten material, such as metal or plastic, into a mold to obtain a desired shape. Casting is commonly used in industries like automotive and aerospace to create complex components like engine blocks or turbine blades. Another traditional technique is machining, which utilizes cutting tools to remove material from a workpiece and shape it into the desired form. Lathes, milling machines, and drills are common machining tools. This method is used to create precision parts for industries such as electronics and medical devices. 2. Additive manufacturing technologies. Moving on to more advanced manufacturing technologies, let's explore additive manufacturing, commonly known as 3D printing. Unlike traditional subtractive methods, 3D printing involves building three-dimensional objects layer by layer from digital models. This technology allows for the creation of complex geometries that would be challenging to produce using traditional methods. Industries such as aerospace, healthcare, and fashion extensively utilize 3D printing for rapid prototyping, customization, and low-volume production. Within additive manufacturing, there are different types of 3D printing processes, including selective laser sintering, SLS, fused deposition modeling, FDM, and stereolithography, SLA. Each process utilizes various materials, such as plastics, metals, or resins, to create objects layer by layer, opening up endless possibilities for design and production. 3. Computer Numerical Control, CNC, Machining. Computer Numerical Control, CNC, machining is another advanced manufacturing technology that combines computer programming and precise machining. CNC machines use computer-aided design, CAD, files to guide the movement of cutting tools and produce complex and accurate parts. This technology finds applications in various industries, including automotive, aerospace, and even jewelry making. CNC machining enables high precision, repeatability, and the production of intricate shapes and features. 4. Automation and robotics. Automation and robotics have revolutionized the manufacturing industry, increasing productivity, efficiency, and consistency. Automation involves using control systems and machinery to perform tasks with minimal human intervention. Assembly lines in automotive plants, where robots handle welding, painting, and assembly processes, are a prime example of automation at work. By automating repetitive tasks, companies can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and ensure consistent quality. Robotic systems are an integral part of modern manufacturing facilities. Robots can perform tasks with precision, speed, and dexterity that surpass human capabilities. In industries such as food processing, robots are used for packaging, sorting, and quality control. In warehouses and logistics, robotic systems efficiently handle inventory management, picking, and sorting operations. 5. Sustainable manufacturing. Sustainable manufacturing technologies have gained significant importance due to the growing emphasis on environmental responsibility. One example is lean manufacturing, which focuses on minimizing waste, streamlining processes, and improving efficiency. By adopting lean principles, companies can reduce material waste, energy consumption, and overall environmental impact while maximizing value for customers. Renewable energy sources are also being integrated into manufacturing processes. Solar panels and wind turbines are increasingly utilized to generate clean and sustainable energy to power manufacturing facilities. By harnessing renewable energy, manufacturers can reduce their reliance on fossil fuels, lower carbon emissions, and contribute to a greener and more sustainable future. Additionally, sustainable materials and practices are being adopted in manufacturing processes. For instance, recycled materials are used in product manufacturing to minimize the consumption of new resources. Companies are also implementing efficient waste management systems to reduce landfill waste and promote recycling and reusing. 6. Digitalization and Industry 4.0. Host, on camera. The advent of digitalization and Industry 4.0 technologies has further transformed manufacturing. Industry 4.0 refers to the integration of automation, data exchange, and advanced technologies to create smart factories that are interconnected and optimized for efficiency and productivity. One key aspect of Industry 4.0 is the Internet of Things, IoT, where sensors and devices are interconnected to collect and exchange data. This data can be used for real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and process optimization, leading to improved productivity and reduced downtime. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, play a crucial role in analyzing large amounts of data collected from manufacturing processes. These technologies enable predictive analytics, quality control, and intelligent decision-making, further enhancing efficiency and product quality. 7. Examples of manufacturing technologies. Let's explore some real-world examples of manufacturing technologies in action. In the automotive industry, robots are used for tasks like welding car bodies and assembling intricate components. 3D printing finds applications in healthcare, where custom prosthetics, dental aligners, and surgical tools are produced with precision and patient-specific design. CNC machining is extensively used in aerospace for creating complex aircraft components with high accuracy. Sustainable manufacturing practices are implemented in textile industries, where eco-friendly materials and processes are adopted to minimize environmental impact. Manufacturing technologies have come a long way, from traditional methods to advanced processes that are reshaping the industry. We have explored a range of technologies, including traditional casting and machining, additive manufacturing like 3D printing, CNC machining, automation and robotics, sustainable manufacturing, and the digitalization of factories. As manufacturing technologies continue to evolve, we can expect greater efficiency, sustainability, and innovation in the production of goods. It's an exciting time for the manufacturing industry, and these technologies will undoubtedly shape the future of how products are made. Remember, manufacturing technologies not only impact industries but also have a direct influence on our lives, providing us with better products, sustainable practices, and exciting possibilities for the future. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of manufacturing technologies. We hope this video has provided you with a deeper understanding of the diverse range of technologies used to transform raw materials into the products we use every day.